3 years ago, we worked together at Stellar Global. No, not yeah.
CBG.
Yes, we did work as Stellar, but we also worked together in Convergys sa Ortigas.
That's our first bit.
Nauna ko ron. What happened was, napunta ako sa morning shift for the beginning of my coaching career. And then, as a communication coach, I was also assigned in the night shift. Now, meron akong may kasama ako sa office doon. His name is Kevin Paredes. Masabi ko sa kanya, my first night here in Convergys in the night shift, as a comm coach, I have my first order of business. I told him, show me around. Okay, sorted. Lakad kami. Now, one of the teams na bago that time, sakto lang. First night ko lang. Sakto lang. Yung team nila Fern. Okay, nilalakad akong gina. Patingin ako sa kaliwa. May babae, mahaba po, naka-gray na t-shirt. Tapos sabi ko, ganda naman. I wanted to get to know more. Kaso nga, sabi ko, coach ako, hindi ko pa siyang lapitan na lang bigla. Diba?
Hindi kita kilala.
Sexual harassment na sa opisina. So I had to devise a way. Coach ako, ang ginagawa ko, I listen to calls, recorded, tapos i-grade ko. So ginawa ko muna yun. Process elimination. Hindi ko siya kilala nun, so I had to look at names. Tapos may mismatch. Nakalagay, Dean Fernandez. Tapos babae ang poses.
Lagi kasi ako pinagkakamala ng
Dean Fernandez, babae ang poses. Hindi mag-match.
Laging baka.
Hindi mag-match ba? So, sabi ko nga, baka siya yun. Yan. So I went to the DM just to verify yun. Tama nga. It's pronounced Dean Fernandez. Dean pa rin. So, nung araw-araw ng coaching na, ganito yung ginawa ko na. I prepared my chair. And her chair as well. Pero yung chair na, siniguro ko, nakatapat sa may aircon fan para malamig. Yan, malamig. Dala ko yung jacket ko. Ito, this same jacket. This very same jacket. Yan, dala ko yan. Now, I had it all prepared. So, punta ako sa kanya. Nakabihis ako nun. Gusto ko lang. Hindi mo lang matangkaran. Pero kailangan may dating. Kailangan may dating, di ba? So, with full motivation, Ms. Dean Fernandez, can you please log out for coaching? Ayan, ganun ang bahala ko. Siya naman, ang ganda sinabi na sa akin. Kasi naka-headset siya, mababa po ko. Yung team brain, hindi malakas. So sabi na, ha?
Tapos sinabi ko sa katabi ko, sino yun?
pero eventually, she stood up, went to my stage off. Yeah, we introduced each other. And I introduced myself what I did, or what we have to do. Yan, as a coach. Pero nung notice ko, nilalamig siya. Kasi sabi ko ganyan, are you feeling cold? Yes, patayo na siya ganyan. You know, do you have a jacket? Sabi na, yes I do, patayo na siya. So sabi ko, no, you don't have to. Sabi ko ganyan, you can just wear this. Yan ako. Yan sa kanya.
Tapos ilang boss yung nasa likuran mo.
Oo, marami ang boss siya. Tapos sa akin, sinuot ka ng ganyan. That was over 3 years ago, and until now, we call that day JD1.
Did you watch that? Since then, the jacket.
Kakalaban ko nito. 2 days ago, kakalaban ko nito. Napatira po siya. And this is JD1. This is JD1. So when you always refer to the jacket, it's always known as JD1. Now, that was over 3 years ago. Now, along set of events, and then nalaman ko na magre-resign siya. Okay. I tried to get her number. Dahil alam ko magre-resign siya. So sabi ko nga, well, all my coaches who resigned from the company, I want to take care of them even when they're no longer with the company.
Really?
And since I know you're leaving, may I have your number as well? Yan, nagkaroon ako na rason para kunin yung number niya. Hindi ako. Then nagsimula kayo mag-text. The first date was on her birthday as well. So that's now a total of 3 years. There's 3 birthdays of her, so 3 anniversaries. So we're also celebrating our 3rd year together as well. It's our 3rd anniversary today. That's the happy anniversary, right? given that it's also the third year, ay, pakicheck nga yung right pocket nga pala.
May note ulit.
May note ulit.
Ginagawa namin ni JC. Naglalagay kami ng notes sa akin.
That was over 3 years ago. So now, in front of family and friends, ask me honey. Will you marry me?
Mahal ko si JC, promise. Oh, sorry. Ay, hindi. Papayagaw ba ako ng parents ko? Baka kasi ayaw, di ba?
Nalala ko sa inyo. Naligo ka. Hinintay kung naligo ka, I asked them.
Okay. Tinanong na, sana pa nila on, di ba?
Your parents know.
Thank you.
This ring, this ring. Ako nito, belong to my ninang, my dad's sister, ninang Nina. Si ninang Nina, nireguluhan lang yung bato na to. But I had it ring-casted. Snap for the ring.
Maluwag.
Hindi ba size 7 sa kanan?
Sa kanan, size 7 din. Size 6 sa kaliwa. Thank you. Guys!
So we're getting married!
Kaya pala hindi ako mapakali the entirety. Sabi ko, bakit ako nasusuka? The entirety, sabi ko, nasusuka talaga ako. Pag uwi ko pa lang, nagmamadali na sila, sabi nila, oh, ano na, saan ka na? Dapat nandito ko na ako, parang ganito yung feeling ko. Hindi ko maintindihan. Sabi ko, pag uwi ko ng hilo talaga ako, sabi ko, papagupit pa talaga ako ng hair. Tapos sabi ko, okay na, Nina, siguro sabi ko, may peace ka na rin, alis na tayo. Tapos yun, umalis na ako. So, thank you very much. And, masaya. Super saya. So, sabi ko kasi sa kanya, yung una namin usapan regarding being together, living a life together, nung nagkwento kami, nung sa team namin. So, sabi ko, joke lang. Kasi sabi ko, until that day comes, I wouldn't assume, kasi parang mapangit naman. So, siguro ngayon sure na, dahil sabi yun eh. Pero, JC has been a great part of my life.
And you have been.
So, we've been in crazy scenarios palagi. So, kumbaga yung first encounter ko sa kanya sa lugar nila, iba. Tapos iba rin siya sa amin. So, parang sabi ko, akala ko it would be a different, it was really different. It was a special kind of relationship. And I'm really happy to share this all with you guys. And I so love you and super thank you. I love you. I love you too, guys. Thank you very much.
Yes! So we may not have started the usual way, but I wanted to propose to you the classic.
Thank you. With the full balloons and Kurt, malamang kilala ko na.
So this is a Hollywood proposal. Public. Yes.
Thank you very much. Sorry the food is cold already, pero super thanks. And it's I'm overwhelmed. What I can promise is I'll take care of this.
Si Daddy ko, I'll take care of it.
I'll take care of it. The way you would take care of it. And I know he'd take care of it. Take care of it. So we've been witnesses of different families and I know na kaya namin gawin yun sa magkakapamilya kami kaya namin. So I'm so happy. And so happy. So happy talaga. Sobrang happy talaga. Tapos yun. So, sana sa susunod na events sa buhay natin we can about it. So,
Of course.
this is a big event.
Well, anything we do together really is something really great.
napaalam ko pa sa kanila. Wait lang. So, linawin lang natin.
Bago pa sila sa parents mo, alam na nila. And they're part of this, okay? So, mom.
Super thank you. Super thank you. I really appreciate it. I've never thought that, sabi nga ni Watas, we deserve the best in life. So I'm living with that principle. We deserve all the best. So we're gonna give you the best.